You've spent months watching Amazon FBA videos and you still haven't started. By now, you already know what a good product looks like, you understand how FBA works, and you have probably told your friends that you're thinking about starting Amazon FBA, but you still haven't launched anything. And the reason isn't that you're missing information. The truth is that watching another video is actually the thing keeping you stuck. So in this video, I'm going to show you why you still haven't started yet and why it's quietly costing you every month you wait, and the huge opportunity that just opened up in 2026. You keep telling yourself you need to learn a little more before you start. You keep telling yourself that once you find the perfect product or you save up a little bit more money, then you'll begin. But that day never comes because the problem was never information. In reality, you already have more than enough to start right now. The real reason you're stuck is fear. It's the fear that you'll put in the money and the work and it won't go anywhere. And the fear that you'll fail and feel stupid for even trying. And watching another video is how you quietly avoid that fear while still feeling like you're moving forward. The reason this is so dangerous is that it actually feels kind of productive. Every time you finish another video, your brain gives you a little dopamine hit, like you did something. But you really didn't do anything because your product, your business still isn't real, and all you did was spend another hour getting ready to get ready. And it gets worse because every new video quietly resets the clock. Each one makes you feel like you're almost ready. So you push starting off for one more week, and then one more week becomes a month, and then the months slowly turn into years. A friend of mine said this to me one day and it clicked. He said that gathering more knowledge had just become his way of escaping the fear of failing. So he finally decided to go fail instead. And that decision was the exact moment everything started moving for him. But here's what you need to understand. It's not just that waiting is bad in general, it's that right now in 2026, there's a huge opportunity opening up. And if you don't start now, you will miss it the same way you missed drop shipping in 2016, or you missed Bitcoin in 2013. Amazon right now is throwing money at new sellers like never before. Plus, there are two new methods that make selling online so much easier in 2026. But before I break that opportunity down, I want you to understand that your fear is completely irrational because Amazon is a data game. You're not gambling on a product to sell. You can look at the actual numbers before you ever spend $1. You can see exactly how many people are searching for a product every month, and you can see how much money the existing sellers are making. Because Amazon is a search engine, people go to Amazon and search what they want to buy. And you can access this data and find what products people are looking for, but no one is selling yet. So when people say, what if it doesn't sell? What if my business doesn't work? The honest answer is you can know if it will sell before you launch any product. The risk that's holding you back is a risk you can measure in advance. But after 6 months of watching videos, you already know this because there's a point where more information stops helping you and the only thing left that teaches you anything is actually doing it. Goethe said it best, knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. And trust me, I did the same exact thing for way too long. And if you don't know me, my name's Travis. And a little over 12 years ago, I had a corporate job that I absolutely hated. I felt trapped, so I got depressed. And I had to quit my job to figure out how to make money online. But there's a part of my story I don't talk about that often. After I quit, I spent years just watching videos, reading everything, and I lost 6 years of my life to trial and error before I finally decided to launch a product I was passionate about. I've now been selling on Amazon for over 12 years, and I've done over $10 million in online sales. I just sold a business that I had a couple months ago for almost $1 million. And last year, I made over $1 million in sales. I've documented the whole thing right here on this channel. But I bring up those wasted 6 years for a reason. I know exactly what it feels like to sit at home watching videos instead of starting. I've done it too. But trust me, those 6 years of my life had a real price. I sat on my first product, Performance Nut Butter, for over a year before I finally launched it. And that first year that I launched it, it did over $100,000 in profit. So if I had launched that business just 1 year earlier, even with less information, even making a $10,000 mistake, I still would have made an extra $100,000 in profit. That's a full year's income for most people gone. I lost $100,000 just because I waited. and I was scared. And I know oftentimes that it feels free to wait. It doesn't cost you anything to wait, but it's actually the most expensive thing you can do. And every month you wait, more sellers move into the niche you are eyeing. And falling behind makes you more scared, and being more scared makes you open to another YouTube video instead of starting, which keeps wasting your time. And I see this exact pattern in most of my students. Juliana spent 15 years trying to figure out passive income, jumping from one thing to the next and staying stuck in her job she hated the entire time. Then she finally committed to one product. It was a simple sports bra. In her first year, she did over $100,000 in sales, with more than $40,000 of that as real profit in her pocket. And the first thing she said to me after that was that she wished she would have started 15 years earlier. Then there's Brent. He's a helicopter pilot with 2 kids, and his finished product literally sat in his garage for 2 years before he worked up the nerve to launch it. Once he finally launched on Amazon, in his first year, he did over $700,000 in sales and about $250,000 in profit. And then in the next year, he did another over $1 million. And in total, in his first 2 years, he did over $2 million, about $500,000 in profit. And that $500,000 he would have made if he would have launched his product 2 years earlier. It literally cost him $500,000 waiting. There's also Armin, who waited 5 whole years to put his product on Amazon. When he finally launched it, it grew into over $2.7 million, and he'll tell you that waiting cost him more than $1 million in sales.
The most costly mistake was waiting until 2020 to launch on Amazon. After our first Kickstarter in 2015, we spent the next 4 years selling on our website in very low volumes, making only about $75,000 each year. We finally launched our product on Amazon in late 2020. Our sales finally exploded. If we had launched Amazon in 2015 as opposed to 2020, we would have had 5 additional years of strong Amazon sales and easily over $1 million in lost revenue.
I even got this message on my community last week. Ivan was hesitant to join my mentorship program at first. Now, in his first month selling on Amazon, he made more than $3,000 in sales. And he's so glad that he actually made the commitment and the decision to start. Every single one of these people that I mentioned are sitting on more money and more freedom today. And every single one of them says the same thing, that the only real mistake was waiting so long to begin. But here's what makes waiting right now in 2026 more expensive than it's ever been. Because right now, there's the biggest opportunity ever in years to sell on Amazon FBA. Last year, everyone was talking about how tariffs killed Amazon and it was too late to sell. Everyone was afraid to launch, which made competition lower than ever. But what most people don't know is that the Supreme Court just struck down all those tariffs, and now you can launch in a less saturated market with the same prices as before. But that's not all. Amazon is throwing money at new sellers right now like never before. Their new seller incentives in 2026 are the most generous they've ever offered. They give you advertising credits, free review credits, a 5% bonus on the sales you drive from your own traffic, shipping credits, and much more. Amazon is quite literally paying people to start right now to fight against platforms like TikTok Shop, which brings me to the real shift. There are 2 methods that have completely changed the Amazon game. The old traditional methods where you could slap a logo, throw it on Amazon, and sell, those don't work anymore. But the first method that does still work is called niche branding, where instead of competing in competitive categories with huge sellers, you niche down to smaller categories. Instead of launching electrolytes, you launch carnivore electrolytes. Instead of launching makeup, you launch makeup for men. You become the only choice for one group of people that have no product to buy. This niche branding strategy is what lets you charge more, sell without ads, keep your margins, and build something a competitor can't copy and undercut your price. And the second method is the flywheel method. And this one is the real game changer. You can launch your product on Amazon like normal, but you also launch it on TikTok Shop. Now, people discover your product on TikTok, and a chunk of them go straight to Amazon to buy it. Those extra Amazon sales push your product higher in the rankings and get you more reviews. And that higher rank gets you even more free Amazon sales. And then some of those buyers post about your product on TikTok themselves, which gets even more people discovering it, and the whole thing keeps growing. That's the flywheel. And this isn't a theory. Just by launching our last Amazon product on TikTok, we saw an extra 15 to 20% in Amazon sales, plus all the TikTok Shop sales on top of that. This wasn't possible a couple years ago. Now, the flywheel only works if you've got the right kind of product. It does not work with wholesale retail arbitrage, and it definitely doesn't work with cheap private label products. It only works when you have a real niche branded product, something built for a specific person that they actually want to talk about. That combination, niche branding plus the TikTok Shop flywheel, is a genuine cheat code right now. It's the 2026 version of what private label was back in 2016, or what dropshipping was in 2020. The exact same kind of opportunity, the kind that only stays wide open for a year before everyone finds out about it and it disappears. I made over $1 million in sales last year with one single product, and I sold that business for $840,000. And I just launched 2 more products to take advantage of this opportunity because I just truly can't tell you how long it will work for. But let's go back to why you haven't started yet. Because at this point, we know that more information isn't what's holding you back. So my question is, what is actually holding you back from starting today? And it comes down to 2 simple things. The first is accountability. For years, I said I wanted to learn how to surf, and I watched videos about it. And I would go occasionally to the ocean, try to surf, fail, and I would stop trying because it was hard. But then I found a surf coach and paid him upfront for 10 lessons. And I told him that whether I showed up or not, he still gets to keep the money. And you could probably guess what happened. I ended up showing up to every single lesson because I had prepaid for the lessons and I actually learned how to surf. It wasn't that I suddenly knew more. What changed is that I put real money on the line and I had someone expecting me to show up. The second thing that's holding you back that you probably need is a community. When you try to do this completely alone, every problem feels like a huge wall. Every time you hit one of those walls with nobody around, it becomes the perfect excuse to quit. That's why inside my community, I have a channel called Win Wednesday, where every week people post their wins, their first sale, their first $1,000, and even that they just found a product or manufacturer. And when you see real people just like you that are in a program hitting those numbers, it does 2 things. It keeps you motivated and it shows you exactly what's possible for you too. Because starting your business stops feeling crazy when everyone next to you is doing it too. And when you're in a community, instead of trying to deal with an issue on your own, you can ask a question and somebody that's already solved the question can answer it for you in just a couple minutes. The last thing that I found that's been really helpful me actually taking action and having success is having a mentor. You don't need more information. You need someone actually holding your hand while you do the real steps, holding you accountable and telling you whether the steps you're taking are the right ones or the wrong ones. Because the scariest part of starting alone isn't the work, it's the not knowing. You pick a product and you have no idea if it's a good one. You write your listing and you have no idea if it'll sell. A mentor takes that doubt away. They look at what you're doing and say, yes, this is right. Keep going, or no, fix this first. That one thing, just knowing you're on the right path, is what turns months of hesitating into actually moving. So now you've got a choice. And there's really only 2 ways this goes. You can take those 3 things that I mentioned and try to build them alone. Go find a community, find people to hold you accountable, find a 7-figure plus mentor willing to look at your product and tell you if it's any good, and stitch it all together on your own. And to be fair, that's what I tried to do. It took me over 6 years to do this and figure it out. When I quit my corporate job, I genuinely thought that starting a business was going to be easy. I thought I'd take the leap and figure it out fast. It wasn't easy at all for me because I didn't have a mentor, I didn't have a plan, I didn't have a community, I was all by myself. I lost 6 full years of my life to trial and error. 6 years, just trying random things because I had no roadmap and nobody to follow. I did figure it out eventually, but partially that's because I found some really good mentors and a really good community. And that's why I have the life that I have today, is because the mentorship, the communities, all the people that help give me the knowledge that I learned. But what I'm about to say, I want you to really hear this because it's the whole point. I did take action. For 6 years, I took action and I still went nowhere because I was taking action in every direction except for the right one. That's the part nobody tells you. Starting is what saves you from waiting, but following the right plan is what saves you from wasting years going the wrong way. Those are 2 different things and you need both. And I want both of them for you because I don't want you to lose the 6 years I lost figuring out which direction to go. That's why I have now opened up some strategy calls with me and my top coaches, because everything I just talked about, the accountability, the community, the mentor, and a roadmap, that's exactly what we built my mentorship program around. You get a community of over 1,000 sellers all doing the exact same thing as you. You get weekly small group coaching to hold you accountable and keep you moving. And you get one-on-one calls with 7-figure coaches every step of the way. So you always know you're taking the right step and not wasting months going the wrong direction. Plus a whole lot more on top of that. But spots for these free calls are limited. We can only take a few calls this month because each person that gets on a call gets real coaches' time. So click the link down below to apply before they fill up. And not everyone is going to qualify for these free calls. We are only looking for people ready to launch and serious about starting their business. I'm not looking for someone who's going to watch another video after this and then disappear. I'm looking for the next Brent, the next Juliana, the next person who finally stops waiting and makes their first $100,000 in passive income this year. If that's you, I want to talk to you. I want to help you succeed. And after you've succeeded, I want to bring you on the channel to tell your story. So if you're ready to take action and stop watching videos, if you feel deep down you can be the next success story, click the link down below, apply for a call so we can map out the next 90 days for you. And we'll see how we can help. And here's the thing, clicking that link down below and booking your call is your first step, because the second you put it on the calendar, 3 things become real. You're committing to one niche instead of keeping your options open forever. You've got an actual date on the calendar instead of a vague someday, and you've told someone that you're going to take action, which in this case is my team, who's going to be expecting you to show up for that call. That's accountability, a date, a niche, and the exact 3 things that turn watching into starting, and you get all of them the moment you book. So don't click away and tell yourself you'll do it later, because we both know what later turns into. Click the link down below, book the call, and take your first step today, and I hope to see you soon